everyone, it's Dr. Backus and Marissa here, and we're here to do a little Q&A session for you.
We're going to talk about some of the new treatments that we're going to be bringing to the office and addressing some concerns and questions that you may have, hopefully addressing things that you may not even thought about, but we're going to talk about each one and the benefits, and you can decide if it's something that you think would benefit you or that you'd be interested in looking more into. So let's start with PRP treatments. These are platelet-rich plasma, and we'll have Dr. Backus tell you a bit more about what this is.
All right, so platelet-rich plasma is actually extracted from your own blood. So when you come into the office for any PRP treatment, we'll be drawing your blood and putting it in a special centrifuge to spin down and separate that rich platelet plasma from the rest of your red blood cells that we don't want. And that is then applied to certain areas or injected in certain areas and has lots of different properties, lots of different anti-aging properties, encourages healing, brings extra blood circulation to the area, increases stem cell production, and it helps to build collagen, elastin, other tissue regeneration. So it's a really, really wonderful treatment that we have available now.
And are there any possible side effects or any possible allergic reactions that we could get from this?
So that's the wonderful thing about PRP, because it's drawn from your own blood and it's used on you. There's really no side effects. You're not going to react at all because we're giving you your own blood substance back, whether we're applying it to your face or injecting it. So that's the beauty of PRP.
All right. And let's talk about some ways that we can use that PRP.
Yes, so we'll talk tonight about the vampire facial, we'll talk about the vampire facelift, we'll talk about the O shot, which is for the ladies, and we do have the one for the men, the P shot as well too, but tonight is our women's event, so we're going to focus on the girls.
The ladies. Okay, so then let's get into the O shot. What is that? What are some of the indications and the benefits of O shot?
So the O shot is where we use PRP that's injected into specific areas, specific vaginal areas. And people that would benefit from this would be anyone who is looking for improvement in their libido, improvement in their intimacy with their partners, people who have incontinence, whether it be the stress or the urge incontinence. It can absolutely help with all of those symptoms. So we can definitely, if you do have any of those concerns, we can answer more questions for you on this.
And let's talk a little bit about the preparation for that procedure, just to give them an idea of what to expect.
So when you come into the office, we're going to, we do apply numbing cream to the area, to the vaginal area where you're going to be getting these treatments. And at the same time, we'll be drawing your blood. So while you're getting numb, it does take 10 to 15 minutes about to get numb. We're spinning down your blood and extracting that PRP liquid gold is what we call it. After that, then I will come into the room. We will put the PRP into syringes and we'll start doing the procedures. I do inject extra lidocaine into the areas. There's a shot that goes straight into the clitoris area and a shot that goes in close to the urethra, where we call the G-spot area, and it's done in very short time actually.
Okay. Do women need one treatment, or will they need subsequent after their first one?
So it all depends on the indication and how your body responds to it. You usually see the full effect of the PRP treatment from the O shot after 3 months, and some people feel great. They don't need another one. It can last up to a year, up to 18 months before you feel like you need to have another one based on how you felt when you first had the O shot till then. But some people may need a second one, maybe 6 months after. For instance, people who have a lot of urinary incontinence that may benefit from the first one, but want to see added benefits. We will evaluate and see if you may be a candidate to repeat it in 6 months or a year.
All right. So moving along, we're going to go and talk about our vampire facial.
Absolutely.
So let's talk about that, the indications for it. Who's a candidate?
Sure. So vampire facial is a microneedling treatment. Microneedling is well known to help with different indications for the skin appearance. So when you do it with PRP, so we do the microneedling all over the face, and apply the PRP while we're microneedling and after, so it forms a mask that stays on and helps with healing properties. It is a wonderful, wonderful treatment, and all of our clients love it.
Okay. Explain to me a little bit how it's actually done.
So it is actually, so you come in, you'll have the numbing cream applied, because the microneedling is a process of using little needles, which we go all over the face and create these little channels, which we're going to put the PRP into. So you're going to get numbed up using a numbing cream. It takes about 15 minutes to get numb. Then whoever is doing your microneedling will come in and start doing, starting mostly at the forehead and working downwards towards the face, using the microneedling pen and applying the PRP while we're doing so. Very tolerable procedure.
Okay. And how many do you expect patients to need to see results?
So you can see results after one. It gives you that healthy glow and improvement in your pigmentation and blemishes after one treatment, but recommended to have a series of 3 done 1 month apart. That way, that youthful glowing skin you're going to be so happy with. And typically recommend that you do a maintenance treatment after that series once per 6 months.
Okay. So this helps with texture and pigmentation.
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay. And then moving right along into our vampire facelift, let's talk about the indications for that and who may benefit from it.
Right. So vampire facelift are for anyone who thinks that they're losing volume, structure in their face, kind of the same indication for facial fillers. Yes, as we age, we do lose fat volume, we do lose bone structure, the skin becomes thinner, so we want to get that youthful look back, and that would be the indication for the vampire facelift. And just explain to us how that procedure is done. So you come in and get numbed with the cream again, because there will be a series of injections of both the fillers and the PRP. After being numb, we'll carefully use fillers to put into little areas of the face that would help to create lifting, help to create volume. It's all specific to the person and where they have lost volume in that area. After that, we'll inject the PRP into different areas close to that as well, where the filler will absorb the PRP, and it will enhance the actual benefit of the filler, and you're going to see wonderful effects from the fullness, from the contouring of the face. It's a beautiful treatment.
Okay. And same thing with this, how many do we expect patients to need?
Typically we'll do one and see how you respond to it. The fillers, the hyaluronic acid fillers, replace that collagen that's under the skin. So it depends on how your body metabolizes it, how much collagen your body builds up, how much it holds on to it. Because remember, we're aging as we go along. So typically it can last anywhere from 6 months up to 2 years. But it all depends. You might want to redo it after a year, but typically a good treatment would last 18 months to 2 years before you need to repeat that.
Awesome. So the vampire facelift is a nice complement to filler treatment as well.
Absolutely.
Okay. We'll touch a little bit on Tempture Vitalia that we're offering here. We're going to have an extra video to discuss this in more detail for all of you. But let's talk a little bit, just touch base on what Tempture is and who's a candidate for that.
Absolutely. So Tempture Vitalia is a radiofrequency treatment that we use in office. It's an intravaginal treatment. It basically is gently warming up the skin, the area which we're going to be applying it. It's both intravaginal and also outer labia. So whether it be the mucus, the mucosa that we're heating up, or the outer skin, helps to promote collagen, helps to promote tissue regeneration, and it's very tolerable. No numbing needed for this one. It feels like a warm stone massage when you're having it done.
Yes. So, and let's let them know how this procedure is done when they come in.
So when you come in, we'll be putting you in a special room where we have the device in, and putting you into position, having you relax, and then starting the procedure. The whole thing, both inner and outer treatment, lasts for about half an hour. And as I said, it's very tolerable. You need no numbing. You just relax and enjoy, and be over in no time.
Yeah, no downtime.
No downtime at all. No, you should have no discomfort or downtime.
And how many treatments should we expect patients to have?
So we do recommend having a treatment every 4 weeks for a total of 3 treatments. That would promote the best tissue regeneration in that area. And after that, we do recommend coming in for 1 treatment once a year to help to maintain that effect.
Okay. Any contraindications we should let them know about?
Yes, so you would definitely let us know if you have any implantable devices, such as pacemaker or anything of the kind, and also certain metallic implants as well, or metallic meshes such as vaginal meshes, or hip implants. So if you have any implantable devices or metallic implants in the body, please let us know. We'll let you know if you're a good candidate based on that or not. Okay. All right, so now we're going to switch over to the weight loss part of it, and I'm going to have Marissa answer some of the questions on that. So Marissa, tell us a little bit more about the weight loss program that we'll be implementing here at AMG.
Yes, we're all very excited about it. It's going to be physician supervised medical weight loss, so that's important to note.
Yeah.
We're going to try to tailor and individualize to each person's needs. So we're going to talk about lifestyle changes. That includes diet, exercise. We're going to use medication if we need to. And then we're also going to start offering some meal replacement systems as well. So we've got a great 10-day meal replacement program we're going to be offering to a lot of our clients that really helps jumpstart that weight loss for you, so you're seeing results fairly quickly, easy to follow, easy to do. So we're very excited about all of that.
And we have that 10-day program displayed here tonight.
Yes,
so
we
you
do.
guys can take a look at that.
Yes, a great complement with sculpture.
Yes.
Yes.
So as you mentioned, sculpture, let's talk about sculpture.
Yes.
What exactly is sculpture?
So sculpture is warm sculpting. So this is using heat and a radiofrequency laser to permanently destroy fat in certain areas of the body and help sculpt. It's doing exactly what it's saying. It's sculpting the body to give us better contours that, especially stubborn areas of fat that we just can't seem to get rid of with all of the diet and exercise.
Right. Okay. So which areas of the body can we treat with sculpture?
So abdomen, most definitely, very common place,
Yep.
especially us women after having babies. That's one place we all struggle with. Inner thighs, under the arms, the back, around the bra line. A lot of us struggle with getting rid of fat in that area. And then we also have the submental area too. So helping with that profile. If some of us have a little extra fat pad in that region, we can help get rid of that too.
Yeah, might even help you look more youthful as
Yes.
well in the face, right?
Yes,
Getting
yes.
that beautiful. And how many treatments do I need or usually recommended?
So we're going to recommend at least 2, and they're 4 to 6 weeks apart. No downtime at all with this, which is the best part about it. We want you to go and resume your normal activities. We want you exercising directly after treatment. Very easy, and expect results within 3 months after your second treatment.
So I can come for this during my lunch period and return to work right after, right?
Absolutely.
How long is the treatment?
So the total treatment time is about 25 minutes.
Perfect.
Again, you can do it during your lunch break.
And what does it feel like when you actually do have a treatment?
So we like to describe it as a tolerable discomfort. It's a little spicy, but definitely nothing extremely painful. If some patients do have a little bit of discomfort during the treatment, we've also invested in some a medication called Nitronox that helps calm you down and relax you during the treatment. So it's very easy and tolerable for you.
Perfect. And is there any contraindications to having this treatment done?
So the big one for all of us women, pregnancy, breastfeeding, don't recommend during those times in our life. And otherwise, if you know, you're not a candidate right now, if there's more fat mass in certain areas that we need to work on with weight loss first, so that you then can become a candidate for sculpture, certainly we'll talk you through that and see what we can offer you to help with that weight loss prior to getting a sculpture treatment.
So we'll have areas in the back set up for consultation, and you'll come in, we'll let you know what we recommend for you. As I said, if you're probably not the candidate for it right now, we do have a great program to offer you too. So we have lots of things to offer you tonight. If you have any other questions, hopefully this answered most of your questions, but if you have any other questions, please feel free to grab one of us or anyone that has the AMG shirt on, and we will get you answers, okay? Enjoy your night, guys.
Thanks for coming.
Sculpture treatments are innovative body contouring treatments designed to permanently reduce fat. The technology is changing the game for men and women to complement their healthy lifestyle, to help them feel strong, sexy, confident. I found the treatments to be quick, convenient, and easy to fit into my very, very busy schedule. 25 minutes each treatment. No surgery, no downtime. I was back to my routine in no time, and with a hectic schedule of juggling kids and my career, this was very important to me. Sculpture body contouring treatments can help you achieve a natural-looking, slimmer appearance in areas like belly, love handles, back, thighs, and under the chin. It's easy, it's efficient, it's effective. The sculpture treatment is backed by science, and it's designed to help people feel their most confident and beautiful selves. And that's something I can really stand behind.